Here's the greatest lesson on forgiveness you'll ever hear. No one has ever died from a snake bite. It's the venom that kills. If anyone hurts you, that's the bite. But it's your resentment, your bitterness, anger and hatred that you hold within yourself that is the venom that slowly consumes you from the inside. Now, this doesn't mean that we don't hold people accountable to their actions or that we continue to welcome them in our lives. Rather is a recognition that what other people do to you is out of your control and it's not your responsibility, but how you react to it and how you heal from it is your responsibility. It takes emotional maturity to come to this understanding. If you're holding resentment towards somebody, it's time to release that venom, and forgiveness is the only antidote.